Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer classes. Today we are going to start with the fourth chapter of computer, that is Tux Paint. Okay, it is very interesting because it is a practical chapter and also it is about drawing and painting. So it is very interesting. You will enjoy this chapter very much. Understand? Okay, student. In this chapter, we are going to learn introduction of Tux Paint, features of Tux Paint, then how to open the Tux Paint and discuss the Tux Paint window. Okay? Okay. First of all, let us start with Tux Paint. Students, in previous class, you have learned about MS Paint, that is Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is drawing program. In this you can draw picture. Same as Tux Paint is also a drawing program. It is a wonderful drawing program, specially made for children. Okay. Tux Paint provides various creative tools, funny animation and magical effects, which makes it one of the best drawing software. Students, here you will get so many creative tools for drawing that helps you to draw various pictures and to show your creativity and wonderful imagination with the help of Tux Paint. And its creative tools, you can make so creative drawing on your own. Okay. Now students, you can see on a picture of a person on the screen. This man is developed and design of Tux Paint. It means he made a Tux Paint and his name is Bill Kendrick. This man designed and made a Tux Paint for children. Understand? Now, let us look at its unique features, means some quality of Tux Paint that makes Tux Paint wonderful drawing program. The first point of Tux Paint feature is Tux Paint is a free software. It means it is a open source software. We can download this software from internet without any cost for free. Student, if you have a computer and you want to download this software in your computer, then you must need internet connection. If you have an internet connection on your computer, so you can download Tux Paint software from the website www.tuxpaint.org. From this website, you can download Tux Paint software very easily and for free also. Understand? Now, the second feature of Tux Paint is it has a drawing mascot, which helps to know more about Tux Paint. It means drawing mascot guide the student about how to draw and how to use the program. It is like a guideline for user. Drawing mascot. Okay. Now, the third feature is large variety of tools. Tux Paint provides us so many tools. Using these tools, we can create wonderful drawing as per our creativity and imagination. So many tools are available. Different effect can be add. So this is a very useful. Okay. Now the fourth feature is we can add personalized stamps. It means we can add our own stamps also. Stamps are like rubber stamps or stickers. It lets you to paste photo, graphic image or a picture on your drawing, like a horse, a tree, the moon, etc. It means we can add ready-made picture or an image of any object in our drawing, like an animal, any bird, any other object, etc. Understand? Now the next feature, funny sound effect are played when we select any tool. TuxPaint is interesting because of this funny sound. When we select any tool or do any activity, it will play funny sound. Because of this feature, TuxPaint is the most popular among children. Understand? Next feature, it loads and saves images directly as thumbnail. So no need to give file name. Thumbnail means all saved drawing are stored as a picture gallery, as in a mobile. So we can open any drawing by just clicking on it. There is no any file system and file name in TuxPaint. We no need to give any file name while saving the picture. It is already saved in picture gallery. So when we want to open, is it just clicking on it and the picture will open. Okay. So student, this is the features of TuxPaint. Understand? Now our next topic is how to open TuxPaint. Student, if you want to open a TuxPaint program in your computer, you must have followed the steps given on the screen. Okay. First, click on Start button. First, you have to click on Start button in the taskbar. Second, in Start button menu, you have to choose All Program. In All Program, select TuxPaint program. Find the TuxPaint program and select it. In that, you have to select TuxPaint window. Here, two forms of TuxPaint. You want to draw in a full screen, then you can open TuxPaint full screen also. Okay. Now let us see practically how can we open a TuxPaint in our computer. Okay. Now see practically how to open a TuxPaint on your computer. First, click on Start button. Then choose All Program. Select TuxPaint. Okay. TuxPaint. Choose TuxPaint window. You will now see the welcome screen on TuxPaint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of the TuxPaint. Like this you have to open. Understand? Now students, this is the first window of TuxPaint. You can see this screen after opening the TuxPaint program. Let us study the parts of the TuxPaint windows and how it's used. Okay. First is tools. we can say this tool box. It has 14 different tools like pen tools, stamp, lines, shapes, text, magic, etc. These are the main tools in a TuxPen. Okay. Now on the right hand side, we can say that brushes. This is the sub toolbox. When we select any tools from the tools, then the tools of the related this main tools are displayed in the sub toolbox. Okay. For example, if we select paint tools in the tools, then sub tools of the paint tool is display on the sub tool box. Okay. Next is a colors. Here color palette has 17 fixed color and at the last one is choose color. This is a called choose color. If we want to use any other color that are given in a color palette, any other shade of the color, then we can click on choose color and we can find so many colors in choose color and choose our color. Okay. Now next is a penguin. Penguin is given. Yes, this is here. This is your friend. Why is your friend? Because it is show help to us when we choose any tools. How can we use that tool? In short, we can say that it is it tells you proper method of using the selected tools. For example, here pen tool is selected. Okay, selected because it is highlighted in a blue color. The penguin says us that pick a color and a brush shape to draw with. Okay, it will give a suggestion that what we can do with these tools, which is selected by us. That's why this penguin is our friend, and this penguin is the symbol of the TuxPen. And the last part of the TuxPen is drawing canvas. Yes, here we can say a drawing canvas. This is the white part is a canvas that we can draw our picture. So these are the parts of TuxPen window. Understand, students? Now students, in this class we have studied about what is TuxPen, how can we open TuxPen and parts of TuxPen. Okay, from next class we learn different tools of TuxPen. Okay students, thank you and once again Sai Ram.